Well, it's April 4th at about 6:45 p.m. in Oxford, Massachusetts. If you can't. Well, seems like a nice time of the year, right? It's spring. It's almost summer. Maybe in like about 2 months. Nice weather. Sun's out. Get to start skating outside again. All that fun stuff. Well, not where I live. Right now, it's fucking snowing. It's been snowing since 8 o'clock in the morning. Then there's all this snow right here. And I had to grab my fucking shovel out of storage just to plow this shit. And look at this. April 2nd, and we get snow. Like literally, not even 3 days ago. 3 days ago, it was 70 degrees, and now it's below 20. Or 25, some shit like that. But I'm fucking pissed about it. Look at this. We have snow everywhere. Look. All over there. Over there. On here. On here. Look. Oh, shit. That's too cold to touch. I have to grab my coat and put all that crap on when I just put it away 2 months ago. And look. I have to grab my fucking sweatshirt. Well, I could have grabbed a coat, but I'm not going to do that. I can't even find them. Gloves, hat, all this shit. Now, I'm going to go put it on, and I'm going to show you that I had to fucking shovel this shit. Well, I'm about to go outside and fucking shovel the first time in fucking 4 months. Why is it that we can't get snow in the winter when we're supposed to, instead of having all this shit when it's April? Oh boy. Oh joy. Getting all this shit. No, I'm really pissed at this. I wasn't in the fucking mood for this shit. And look at this. Now I have to clean her car off. My mom's car off too. It's fucking shit, man. I swear to fuck. Oh my god. Why? For anyone that lives in fucking Canada, or somewhere where it snows all the fucking time and every season, I really feel bad for you. But I'm freezing my ass off, just like you. If you were to fucking freeze your ass off when it's fucking, whatever, it's like Canada, Colorado, I don't fucking